Hello guys, how to stay hydrated at home. You need watermelon, you need cinnamon powder, and you need dates, but you don't need to put too much dates. Sweet palace dates. This one are dates from Dubai. Very sweet and very nice. We'll start making our shake. I have prepared my dates. Make sure the seeds, you have removed the seeds, they are seedless dates. I have prepared my melon. I have removed all the seeds, and we will make our smoothie. I'll add melon, I'll add my dates. Make sure you put only like 4 pieces. Seedless, I'll add my cinnamon powder, little. And I'll add little water. I'll cover it, and we shall make our smoothie. Our smoothie is ready. Time to test. How to stay hydrated at home. Make sure you try this smoothie. Thank you.